I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view public transit and schedules on your Apple Maps app on your iPhone. First, we'll open up Apple Maps. Then we're going to click on the Search Maps section here. Then we're going to type in transit to go to the transit view. And this is going to show you the nearby stops that you have around you. In this particular instance, there are bus routes around me. And if I go to this particular stop, it can show you how far away it is from you. And then it shows the departures, how long it takes to go to whatever other locations that they have on this particular route. So if I wanted to take this bus northbound to Disneyland, I'd just tap on that and then it would show me the route. I could zoom out and I could see the exact route that it goes along and all the stops along the way. Now, once you have the route open, you can scroll down and see the exact schedule. The next time that this bus is going to leave from this particular stop is 3:40 p.m. You can also see right here at the top that the upcoming departures, it is scheduled for every 22 minutes. And now you're all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.